If you're an actor, stop trying to cry. And not only cry, stop trying to be emotional. Just stop doing it. What do we want to do instead? What actually helps? Knowing that emotion is a byproduct of doing something. Sanford Meisner said the foundation of acting is the reality of doing. So do something, do it with reality, and real emotion will follow. And if you don't know who Sanford Meisner is, that's fine. Look at what Willem Dafoe said.
Usually the strongest film performers, to my eye, to my mind, I mean when I see them perform and then I see the completed film, are usually people that are very rooted to the doing. They're concentrated. The world drops away and they fit into the world that's being created. Right. I think the camera responds to that kind of concentration, that kind of melting into the action.
Yeah. In other words, do it. Do it with reality. The camera doesn't really respond, but the audience does respond to the truth. That means the foundation of truthful acting is the reality of doing. But you can't do something with reality that's not doable. For instance, you cannot be upset. You cannot be angry. It's what is the character trying to achieve, get done? What's their objective? What are they trying to do? When you simplify that and then you try to do that, tons of behavior comes out, tons of emotion comes out. There's two reasons why you don't want to be trying to cry or be emotional. One, nobody does that in life. If you want to be a truthful actor, you have to pursue things as a person. You have to train yourself to be a human being, to live truthfully under the imaginary circumstances. If you try to focus on being emotional, you throw all that away. And number two, emotion is a byproduct of doing something or experiencing something. So you need to better find a way to put yourself in the circumstances, find a way to do something with reality, and then commit to really doing it, and the real emotion will follow. And something that's probably worth mentioning is trying to show emotion or force emotion that isn't there just exposes the fact that you don't have it. So the thing we're trying to prevent is actually the thing we cause when we try to be emotional. So don't try to be emotional. Try to get something done and real emotion will follow. I hope this helped, and subscribe for more acting tips like this one. And if you are serious about acting, it's a Halloween special. Everything's 75% off. Click the link in the description section and get everything while you can. It's a one-day sale, 75% off. The stuff that's on sale is actually gonna help you get better at acting. Get my class. It's how to act truthfully in less than an hour. It's the essentials that you need. Everything you can do on your own. You do not need an acting partner. It's 7 episodes. I cover 9 principles of acting. This could be the first step in really getting better at acting. And I hope you do it because these things I share changed my life. It took me about 15 years of acting and training to distill and simplify into these things I have in my link. Thousands of people have taken them. They get better. That's what I'm doing this for. I just hope you guys get better. Take that chance. Click it. I hope it helped. Follow for more acting tips like this one.